current setup, the Hawk 250 RPS, first official review. I didn't do an unboxing video. It was a learning process for me, so I didn't want to record it. But as you can see, I didn't put any of the stickers that it came with on it, because it just made it look like even more like a Chinese bike. Instead, I just ordered my own, and I just put them on myself wherever I feel make the most sense. Comment below what y'all think of how I did the stickers. No, I'm not sponsored by these people. Got some real Brembros on there, you see it. Nah, but this is a 2020 version, so you see it do got the rear disc brakes. Covered up the Hawk side. Even put a little Honda sticker on it. So yeah, you can see I built it myself. I got it out the box, built it myself. I ordered it from Orion Power Sports. I think they based out of Tennessee, I think. Something not too far from Chicago. Took it about 4 days to get here after I ordered it. Ordered it online, paid $14.03 exactly. Free shipping. I'm gonna leave a link in the description to their website. Got some new shift levers coming. I got a brake lever coming. Well, I got one. I got some in there. It's the wrong one. It doesn't have this. I will have to remove this whole thing, or I tried just removing the lever for it, but there's just too much gap. So as you can see now, this already got too much play in it, which I don't appreciate at all. But I can't get rid of it. Another thing is the clutch cable is too fucking short, and the way that it comes stock is that shit does not help. You will kill yourself on this thing. This bike will try to kill you the way that it comes. So yeah, make sure that you reroute the shift cable. This is the best solution I found so far. As you can see, I burnt the shift, the clutch cable, because I tried to reroute it a different way, and it was just touching. It got burnt on the exhaust right there. So yeah, got to reroute it, zip tie it to the engine bracket, and also zip tied it right there, and just routed it up. You can see this clutch cable just all chewed up from the first locations that it was routed at. So yeah, this is something you want to do when you get this out of the box. I still got the stock speedometer on there, but it's all good. Got that coming on the way. Still gotta change that spark plug. I changed the oil already. I gotta change this car. It's already showing some signs that it needs to be tuned or replaced. I don't know what kind of carb I want to throw in here, but yeah, it's definitely needed. And I want to do the airbox mod. I want to put a cone foam filter on there, because this airbox whole thing just sucks ass. And another exhaust, of course. Gotta do the fender delete. couple of more stuff. I hate this shit right here. Might paint it. Oh yeah. 250 RPS Hulk. And go ahead and start it up. I already had it warming up. Y'all seen when I first came out. So if you guys could hear it in the airbox, just completely suffocating this right from the sound. So you just need better airflow. I don't like the sound of that. Thinking about putting some street tires on here. I don't know how it would look really, but I'm gonna see. Still go try it though. And keep these tires, original tires. Cause as you can see, yeah, it's not rubbing anymore. But the chain guide was all off. Like, I don't know if you guys can tell. I straightened it up. But yeah. Every Hulk owner knows this shit. Or the chain, we can chain check. Looking pretty good. Not much wobble. But yeah, that's pretty much it for this video. Let me know what y'all think in the comments below. If y'all have one, let me know what y'all did to yours. It's my first 250 that everybody can do well. Stay tuned for more updates, more videos coming soon. Like to give me a thumbs up on the video. Leave your thoughts below, like I said. And yeah, let's get it.